Automotive instrument panel molds feature complex structures. The innovative multi-slide, tilting lift, and integrated hot runner design enable precise curved surface shaping, providing greater flexibility in instrument panel and interior design, meeting the automotive industry's rapidly evolving needs. Using professional 3D modeling software, we construct the core and cavity structures for automotive instrument panel molds. Designers conduct a comprehensive analysis of product functions, assembly requirements, and exterior design, accurately simulating the melt flow and filling process to predict molding results, enabling rapid model modification and significantly shortening molding cycles. Automotive instrument panel molds also offer strong mass production capabilities and rapid molding speeds. By continuously adjusting and optimizing mold design and processing parameters, we maintain stable production and consistently provide high-quality components to the automotive industry.